how excited are you? Gregorio.
Very excited. As our producer said earlier, it's still on the works. We're still doing proper research now, and they're really preparing for it. So very excited to start shooting, just excited for Gregorio del Pilar film.
Ready ka na ba maging Gregorio ulit?
Magiging ready pag kailangan na.
Since successful yung General Luna, di ba? Sa ngayon ba, ano yung nafe-feel mo ba na ganun pa rin yung magiging perception ng mga tao?
Well, hopefully. At sana, syempre, yung mga taong sumuporta sa General Luna, ganun rin ang gagawin sa magiging sunod na pelikula ng Artikulo 1 or sa Gregorio del Pilar. But it's gonna be with the same production, the same director. So it's gonna be as great as General Luna.
Paul, nasabi na ba sa'yo kailan to start yung filming? Sino mga makakasama mo?
Not yet, but I think it's gonna take a while because they really want to.
Pero definitely this is for next year.
I'm not sure. I think we should ask the producers about that.
Do you think magiging big challenge siya sa acting skill?
Yes, dahil syempre nabuhay kasi itong tao itong ipoportray ko at parte rin ito ng kasaysayan natin, kaya medyo magiging challenge yan para sa akin.
Pinakabahan ka ba? Napantayan yung narating na nangyari?
Syempre, nandun din lagi yung kaba, but ayun, sana lang talaga supportahan. Maging hindi man maging mapantayan yung support ng General Luna, sana malagpasan pa General Luna.
Pero after playing yung sa General Luna lang muna, ano yung best comment na nakuha mo playing the role of Gregorio?
Best comment? Siguro the best comment I got is parang I got a we screened Luna on several schools, and parang yung mga estudyanteng ito are looking forward for Gregorio del Pilar.